This has to be the craziest AI demo I have ever seen. It's crazy, watch this.
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
So I'll let you watch some more, but first I'll just introduce myself. I'm Devon, the product manager at Refhub. We're an automated reference checking tool, and I normally make videos about HR technology and AI in the HR and recruitment industry. But when I saw this video, I knew I had to share this with our audience because this is absolutely groundbreaking. Now we'll show some more of the video here. After that, I'll go through and explain why it's so impressive and how exactly it is that they are doing what they're doing.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Great. So based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great. Can you put them there?
Of course.
All right, so how do you think you did?
I think I did pretty well. The apple found its new owner, the trash is gone, and the tableware is right where it belongs.
I agree. Thanks, Figure One.
You're welcome. If there's anything else you need help with, just let me know.
So let's talk about how it works. This will be based off a large language model like ChatGPT-4 that is multimodal, that can also take in the 3D data and image data that the robot is capturing. When the user makes a request, that large language model will then process the image data that it's receiving, as well as the 3D data and the text request, much as you would with ChatGPT-4. Once it's processed those, it's going to come out with an action or a sequence of steps that it needs to do to complete that particular request. In this case, it will then most likely pass that on to another neural network that is in control of motion. So in this one, we can see that motion is super fluid. You can see there the robot picks up the apple super gently and then drops it into the person's hand. That is super rare to see off an ad hoc response. Like we've seen a lot of this with pre-animated sequences and things like that, but for that neural network to know where that item is and place it in that person's hand so smoothly and then go ahead and put away the dishes afterwards, this stuff is absolutely crazy. That's why it's so impressive. We're also seeing a ton of new AI tools that can take actions on the internet, such as ordering an Uber for you or going and buying your tickets for a plane flight, all those sorts of things. So what we're seeing here is the invention of the first sort of general application of AI technology, where this machine can not only give you basic answers like in ChatGPT-4, it can physically do those things. And I imagine in the future it'll also be able to do things like order things on the internet and do a whole bunch of other functions. That's why I wanted to make this video. It's super impressive. There's a lot of things to be concerned about. There's also a lot of potential positives here as well. I'm not really here to comment on that. I just thought that our LinkedIn network should know about this advancement because it's just amazingly impressive. Awesome. Thanks very much for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.